In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset an oil light for a Nissan Murano. This also works for the Rogue, I believe, and I know it works for the Altima and the Maxima. What you're going to do, you see this on here, it says oil filter. You go to your buttons on the side here. Wrong one. Your menu button here. And you're going to tab over until you see this right here, your settings. Then you're going to hit the OK button. That'll take you in there. Scroll down to maintenance, oil and filter, and then you'll hit reset. It'll ask you to confirm. You confirm it. You go down, and that's it. Now you can go back, because you also need to reset the tire sometimes. This one has already been done. And then there's other, but usually there's nothing there, so that's it.